So this video is going to be in collaboration with my big sister CCMA, and we're going to be doing a birthday vlog to show you how we celebrate our birthdays in isolation in WARRI versus in Lagos. So after watching this, please go on to our channel and so you see how they celebrate a birthday in isolation in Lagos State. If you haven't, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a video. Hey guys, good morning. So I bought these puffs when Bill was still a baby, I think, and I used it every time since then. I bought it for Rio's hair, and then I gradually started using it for Rio and Ife as mini ponytails. I just comb it and it comes up. And now I'm going to use it for Rezi's birthday. I'm going to put it on. Her hair is already made, so I'm just going to tack it with this rope to the sides, and our birthday hair downstairs. Rezi, leave it alone. So let's get into the birthday.
Happy birthday to Rezi.
So what do you pray for her? We will come to this side.
When she grows up and she's in
the
same class I am, the Lord will give her understanding, wisdom, knowledge, and He will also protect her.
Okay. Amen. 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 Pump for more. So we've been trying to I'm trying to set up the backdrop for my baby's birthday. Usually someone would have helped me do all this, but now I have to do them by myself because we're social distancing. So now we've blown all the balloons. I'm so happy I have children. My children helped me blow all the balloons, and now I'm just going to tie them up. I printed the backdrop a while ago because I knew there was going to be a lockdown, so I wanted it to be ready just in case. So since there's a lockdown, I'm just going to tie the backdrop and set up the balloon. I'm trying to make like a little garland. I've never done this before. So I'm done baking the cake. Cake is ready. Cake is looking pretty. It's a 3-tier cake. I'm going to show you. The baby is having her bath. I want her to sleep a little bit before I start to take pictures so that she's not too cranky. And let's go.
Rezi. They have done that I can walk to. Now I can play yo-yo. See, it's actually a yo-yo. Please tell me there's a bread one. Bread one!
No, that's not bread, that's probably chicken.
It's not chicken.
Yeah, guess what just got delivered? Bam, bam, bam. My husband got pizza for us from lunch from Port Harcourt, from Domino's, because it's our birthday. So thank you so much to everybody for wishing us a happy birthday. Hey guys, so I just finished having my bath. See, I'm even having folds on my neck. Ew, Corona, I need to go. So the first thing I usually do is I'm going to be doing this vlog in collaboration with my elder sister, Fummeee. She has been so helpful in me starting a YouTube channel, always showing me guidelines and teaching and advising me. So please, I would like to ask, can we please go to her channel and help me comment thank you on her video? Just comment thank you so she can see it and know that I appreciate all her efforts. She has a YouTube class coming up. If you're trying to start a YouTube channel, you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, I think you need to join this class, because I don't know who else is better to teach you how to start and grow your YouTube channel than somebody that has grown hers seamlessly for so long. So I think you should go to her channel. Please help me say thank you and check out her YouTube class. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. So let's go. Rio, leave there. The baby was so cranky on her birthday. She refused to stay. She refused to stay to smile. She refused to do anything. She just wanted me to carry her. And we wanted her to smile. She refused to smash her cake. Ooh. Have you ever seen a baby that refuses to smash a cake? She refused to smash it. She was just picking at it. How do people get their children to smash the cakes on their baby smash days? See. Yummy. Rezi. Yes. See that one, bomb. Rezi, come. Oh yeah. You don't scatter the cake, or just be saying bye. 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 Zizi. Hey, Zizi, mama. Hello. Hello. Yeah.
This one is fine.
Laughing at your leg. Bye.
She's changing again. She's changing.
So after a little photo shoot, we decided to go out and play for a bit so we can get some air before we came back inside for dinner. For dinner, we got roasted catfish, aka point and kill. Dinner has arrived. So happy, I thank you to God for getting us to this point. I can't believe Rezi is 1 already. Thank you so much to everyone that wished her a happy birthday on her birthday, and thank you so much for all the love that you showed her birthday. And I'm just going to insert the clip of the Bob Daddy challenge. And on that note, we're going to end this vlog. Thank you so much for all the love. Stay safe and keep our social distance. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.
Got the club banging, less man, more baddies. What's that? That's a drop top caddy. Hey, Bob Daddy, Bob Daddy, Bob Daddy, Bob Daddy, Bob Daddy, Bob Daddy.
If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you get a notification every time I post a video.